These are the sounds of our lives. As you recall from our last episode, Dirk was just about to ask Diredre a very important question.
Oh, Diredre, if you recall, I was just about to ask you...
A very important question. Oh, yes, Dirk. I'm all ears. Ask your very important question.
Well, Diredre, you know how much I love you. So my very important question is, Diredre, darling, will you...
Oh, dear. Listen to that dripping faucet. Must be dripping in the kitchen. Just a second, dear. I'll just turn it off and I'll be right back. I just hate the sound of a loud, dripping faucet. Now then, where were we? Oh, yes. You were about to ask me a very important question.
Yes, right. The question is, Diredre, my darling, will you...
Oh, dear. Listen to that clock ticking. Oh, just a second, darling. I'll be right back. Oh, I just hate the sound of a loud ticking clock. There. That's better. Now then, dear, you were about to, ask me something?
Yes, I was. A very important question. And the question still is... Well...
Oh, my. That would be the 829 Express.
What?
Just a moment, dear. I just have to open the door. There now. My, that 829 is always right on time. Now then, dear. What were you about to say?
What is this? Every time I open my mouth to say another word, I am interrupted by another sound. What's going on here?
Why, Dirk, dear. These are the sounds of our lives.
Oh, yeah? Well, I have one more sound for you.
You do? What's that, my love? Well, that's an interesting sound. I don't think I've ever heard that one before. Dirk? Dirk, dear, could you do that just one more time? Dirk? Dirk, where are you? And what was that sound?
Tune in tomorrow when we'll hear Diredre say...
My, will you listen to that darling little jackhammer tearing up the sidewalk outside my house? What a lovely I said, what a lovely sound!
Until then, these are the sounds of our lives!